Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS. From today we are going to start revision and today we are going to revise chapter number 2 My Body and chapter number 3 Sense Organs. Now chapter number 2 My Body. The points which we will discuss in this chapter are what is our body, external body parts and internal body parts. Kids, you know our body is the most amazing machine. It has many parts like eyes, we have 2 eyes, ears, we have 2 ears, we have 1 nose, we have 2 hands and 10 fingers, we have 2 legs and 10 toes. Each of the body part does some other work and these body parts are divided into 2 categories, external body parts and internal body parts. Now do you know what are external body parts? The body parts which are visible to you. Children, when you stand in front of mirror, जब आप mirror के सामने खड़े होते हैं, the body parts which are visible to you that time, which you can see are external body parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. Internal body parts. Internal body parts are body parts that are hidden inside our body like brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Okay, now we will discuss each one by one. Brain. Brain is inside our head. Brain help us to think. It is protected by skull. Heart. Heart is on the left hand side of the chest. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Lungs. We have 2 lungs. They are like air balloons. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach. Stomach help us to digest food which we eat throughout the day. Now we will discuss bookwork of this chapter. You will learn this bookwork with me, kids. The dash is hidden in our chest. What is hidden in our chest? Heart. We have dash lungs. How many lungs do we have? We have 2 lungs. The dash protects our brain. Who protects our brain? Skull. The food goes into our dash. Where food goes? In our stomach. Now we will learn spelling of these blanks. Okay, now we will learn spelling of heart. You will speak with me. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Spelling number 2. How many lungs do we have? We have 2 lungs. So spelling of 2 is T-W-O 2. Number 3. Dash protects our brain. What protects our brain? Skull. So spelling of skull is S-K-U-L-L. Number 4. The food goes into our stomach. So spelling of stomach is S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Okay. After this, now we will discuss notebook work. You will learn with me, kids. Name any 4 internal body parts. Okay, now what are internal body parts? The body parts that are hidden inside our body. What are the names? Let's see. Heart, brain, lungs, stomach. Okay. Now question number 2. Differentiate between external and internal body parts. Let's see. External, internal. We can see them. Example, hands. We can see our hands. When you stand in front of mirror, you can see your hands now. Yes or no? So hands are external body parts. We cannot see them. Example, heart. Can you see your heart? No, because it is hidden inside our body. Okay. Now, after discussing chapter number 2, Now we will discuss chapter number 3, sense organs. The points which we will discuss in this chapter are what are sense organs and the types. Kids, you know our body is the most amazing machine in the world, as I told you earlier. What's happening in the world? How you know that? You know that by your senses. Now we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Each we will discuss. First is eyes. Eyes help us to see. You can see me now. You can watch my video with the help of your eyes. Next, ears. Ears help us to hear, to listen. What I am saying, how can you listen? You are listening with your ears. If you will close your ears, can you listen to me? No. Nose. Nose help us to breathe, to smell things. Next is tongue. Tongue help us to lick, to taste. You lick ice cream, you taste chocolates now. And the last is skin. Skin help us to feel. You feel what is cold, what is hard, what is soft with the help of your skin. And skin is the largest part of the body. Now we will discuss bookwork of this chapter. Let's see. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our dash. How many sense organs do we have? 5. So the answer is 5 sense organs. Number 2, we breathe and smell with our. How do we breathe? Which sense organ help us to breathe? Nose. So the answer is nose. I taste and lick with my. I told you na, you taste sweets and you lick ice cream with your tongue. So the answer is tongue. Number 4, take a bath to keep your dash clean. What we should keep clean? We should keep our skin clean. And for keeping our skin clean, what we should do? We should take bath daily, twice a day. So the answer is skin. Now match the columns. This is garbage, report card, ice cubes, cracker and medicine. Now we will see. It is cold to touch. What is cold to touch? Garbage. Is garbage cold to touch? Report card, ice cubes. What is cold to touch? Ice cubes. And how you feel? You feel with your skin. So number 1 is ice cubes. It is loud to hear. Garbage. Can you hear garbage? Can you hear report card? Cracker, medicine. So the correct answer is cracker. Number 2. It is bitter in taste. What is bitter in taste? Do you eat garbage? No, we don't eat garbage. Do you eat report card? No. Do you eat medicine? When you are sick, when you are ill? Yes. But it is so bitter in taste now you don't like to eat. So the correct answer is medicine. It is bad in smell. Now what is bad in smell? Garbage or report card? Garbage. When smell of garbage comes, what you do? You close your nose like this now because it has a bad smell. It is nice to see. What is nice to see? Garbage or report card? Do you love to see garbage? No. Report card. When you get 100% marks, A+ grade, so you love to see and you see with your eyes. So the correct answer is report card. Now after discussing bookwork, we will discuss notebook work of this chapter. Let's see. Question number 1. How many sense organs do you have? Name them. I explained you na how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Let's see the answer. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. What are the 5 sense organ, kids? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Question number 2. What do we use to clean the ears. Now children, when you have dirt in your ears, what you should do to clean your ears? You should use earbud to clean your ears. You should not put your finger or your pencil inside your ears. Okay? Let's see the answer. We use an earbud to clean the ears. What we should use? Earbud. Now children, we will learn the spelling of this chapter. Okay, now we will learn spelling of 5 sense organ. First is eyes. E-Y-E-S, and eyes help us to see. Ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Ear help us to hear, to listen. Eyes, we have 2 eyes. We have 2 ears. Second is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Nose help us to smell, to breathe. Next is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Tongue help us to taste, to lick. And the last is skin. And skin is the largest part of our body. Skin help us to touch, to feel. The last spelling is earbud. E-A-R-B-U-D. Whenever you need to clean your ears, you should clean it with earbud. Okay? Now, we will discuss worksheet of this chapter. Chapter number 2 and 3. Worksheet is of chapter number 2 and 3. The brain looks like the dash. How our brain looks? It looks like a walnut, or it looks like a heart. The correct answer is walnut. Our brain looks like a walnut. Where does the heart lie in your chest? Where does your heart lie? Right hand side or left hand side? I explained you na. It lies on the left hand side. So the correct answer is left hand side. Rabbit has a long dash. Ears or nose? Children, have you seen rabbit? What rabbit has long? Ears or nose? Rabbit has long ears. Elephant has a long dash. Nose or tongue? Elephant has long nose. So the correct answer is nose. Our tongue has tiny bumps called dash. Can you see tiny bumps on your tongue? Stand in front of mirror and watch. You will be able to see. And what these bumps are called? Brush or taste buds? These bumps are called taste buds. We can write with our dash. With our legs or with our hands? Can you write with your legs? No. So the correct answer is hands. Now question number 2, match the following. This is tongue, lick or taste, ball, hands to catch, leaf, skipping, bee or rose. Now we will see hands. Hands help us to lick, to catch the ball, to feel. What hand does? Hand help us to catch the ball. So the correct answer is B. Legs. Legs help us to do skipping, do jumping, do walking. So the correct answer is D. Mouth. What we do with our mouth? We catch or we lick, we taste with our mouth. We taste. So the correct answer is option A. Big eyes. Who has big eyes? Skipping, leaf, bee or rose? Answer is B. B has big eyes. Sweet to smell. What is sweet to smell? Leaf or rose? Answer is rose. When you smell rose, you feel like so good smell, na? So the answer is F, rose. Soft to touch. What is soft to touch and how can you feel things what are soft, what are hard? With the help of your skin. So what is soft to touch? Leaf. So the correct answer is option C, leaf. Now children, I hope you must have revised these chapters please go through the recorded videos which we have sent you earlier of these chapters. Thank you.